This TECNO 528 was bringing to me by a fellow technician. So he have tried, as you can see, the phone have open already. He have tried his best, and the phone up till now is not turning on. So I want us to fix the phone together. Let's take a look and know why the phone is not turning on. So here is the battery. This battery is okay. So let's try turning it on. As you can see, it's not turning on. So when you come across a particular issue like this, the number one thing you will do, meter the phone to know whether the current is flowing or not. So let's get our multimeter. Here's our multimeter. So what you're going to do now, remove it from the voltage, because we are not checking the voltage for now. Let's take it to continuity so that we should know whether the current is flowing or not. So remove your battery, then place this red probe on the ground, then use the black one on the V-bar. We are having 4999, so which is the current is flowing. Okay, so let's test it with our, before any other thing, let's check this power button. Insert your battery, then turn this meter to 20 volts like this, then use the red one on the center dot like this, then use this one on the outer. As you can see, we have a current. Almost 4 point something, which is okay. Current is flowing, which is okay. But since the phone is not turning on, let's connect it to our DC so that we should know why the phone is still not turning on. If it's not turning on DC, then which is the phone is bad. So connect your black one to the ground, then the red one to the positive battery connector like this, as you can see. So let me show you how my DC is. Let's do it together. Here is my DC. I've set the amp. The amp I'm using here is 5 amp. The voltage is 4.20. Okay, so let me try on it.
Billa Mobile Repair.
As you can see, it's taking 0.024 amp, which is it, you see, if I release it to go back, still the same thing. So which is, there is something wrong with this motherboard. Okay, so the amp supposed to read to 100 and something, then when the phone boots, then the amp will drop to maybe 80 something, 60 something, 70 something, like that. But since it's like that, so let's check this motherboard. Let's remove the motherboard, remove the SIM card, because we are going to hit this panel.
Billa Mobile Repair.
We have current here, still the same thing. So what you're going to do now is you are going to hit the CPU area. Okay, remove this zinc, you hit the CPU. So after heating, you're going to allow it to cool off. After cooling off, then let's try to on it again and see if the device will turn on or not. Let me on this slide so that you guys can see very well. So let me place this the pad. So let's take a look at our DC now to see if the current will reach. Alright, congrats. As you can see, it's up to 100 and something, then it will drop. Wow. It's okay now, guys. As you can see now, the phone is okay. The phone is okay. See, the arm have dropped to 30 something. So I have coupled the phone now. So let's test the battery again. As you can see, this is the same battery. Wow, it's okay now. The battery is even full. So share this video, guys.